So hello everybody, welcome back to another how-to tutorial and Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to teach you how to unlock goblets. So goblets are really easy to unlock. They're just here on Small Jar Bazaar after you do like an expedition. You don't have to finish them, but here are the goblets that you can use for characters. There's also giant cradles grail. You can use this for any any character. So you can use blue, green, and yellow, so you can have this tree, and also the goblets per specific character for more additional slots. To equip the goblets, you do need to go to the relic rights, and I see here I have wilders right now. This is my build here, so this here earn some earned you do need to unlock it by quest, like this chalice. You do need to unlock this by quest. I see here I have my spirit shelter grail, I have my wilders goblet right here, so this I'm using on his goblet. It's pretty okay, it's pretty nice, and that's how you can swap out the different grails. And yeah guys, that's how you can get goblets in Elden Ring Nightreign. And if you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.